how close can you actually plant plants together? Like actually, and not what the package say. So, extreme gardening. I don't really want a bare garden bed. I figured if I put a bunch of plants together, but I'm also worried they'll fight for each other for root space, or not sure what to do. Planning on putting tomatoes, peppers, cucumber, squash, loofahs, watermelon, cantaloupe, herbs, and some flowers in the same bed. It's a 4x8 bed. Would that be okay or too much? That sounds like way too much.
Yep.
So here's the thing is that...
That's 32 square feet.
Wow.
Which typically in a 32 square foot bed, I'm planting at most 10 tomatoes.
Okay, so the watermelon and the cantaloupe, those vine, and the squash...
Right.
Depending on what kind of squash, those will vine out. So if you planted those like around the edge of the bed,
you're looking at 15 to 30 square feet per plant on those.
Right.
Those are humongous
but
amounts.
if you planted them and then
to get them to sprawl out of the bed.
Yeah. That would be okay, but I would not plant all of these things.
If you just use that bed, half the bed for squash, the other half for cantaloupe, that would be, you're done there.
Right. Well, I would say like a third and a third and a third.
Yeah, but still, that you're going to be crowded. We have to think of what the end result is. Imagine at harvest time. Yes, you want your bed to be filled, but again, you don't want it to be choking out where all the plants have competed with one another, and your harvest is like a fraction of what it should be.
I would put the herbs if I could in a container or something like that, grow bag, whatever. And then flowers, I would do the same if I...
Tomatoes and peppers, half the bed. Cucumbers on a trellis, the other half of the bed. Forget the watermelon, the loofahs, and the cantaloupe. Buy those at the farmer's market. Put like you said, the herbs in a container, and put some flowers in a container or around the perimeter of the bed, and call it good.
Yeah. You don't want... I mean, yes, you want to follow some of what the packages say. You can plant things a little bit closer together, but you can't just jam them in there. And you might think, oh, there's
if close is good, closer is better.
And it's not even I mean, it is about the roots, but also
we got to photosynthesize. The sun's got to hit the stuff.
You don't want to block the
water's got to get down in there.
Right. And then also you know, pests will have more of a chance to jump from plant to plant if you get some sort of pest, and that's not good. And you're not giving them a chance to bloom and grow and do their thing.